Hey guys, it's Dave from SafeandSoundHQ.com, and I'm in our music loft, and I want to give you the first look at the brand new Martin Logan Dynamo 1100X subwoofer. So let's check it out. We're super excited about the all-new Martin Logan Dynamo lineup this year. From anthem room correction to app control, these subwoofers pack a punch, and they're worth every penny. If you're looking to save a little bit of money and you want to go with the original 1000W, we do still have some available on closeout. Visit us online, SafeandSoundHQ.com, or give us a call, 800-820-6460. Thanks for watching.